Hi everyone, Teacher Divine. English Bisaya Translation. Daily Useful Questions. Part 1. Ikaw nagluto ani? Did you cook this? Lami good ni ay. This is good. Gamay ra lagi imong gikaon. Why do you eat so little? Daghan na kog nakaon. I have eaten too much already. Salamat sa pagkaon. Thank you for the food. Busog kaayo ko. I'm super full. Kanusa ka mo balik? When will you be back? Nangutana ka nako? Are you asking me? Nahuna-hunaan ra nako. I just think about it. Kanusa man ka maminaw sa ako ah. When will you listen to me? Naa kay kwarta? Do you have cash? Pahuwa mo kong kwarta. Can you lend me some cash? Unsaon ako pagkabalo? How would I know? Tanaw ni mo tsaka ko? Do you think I'm ugly? Dili good. You are not. Unsa imong gibuhat diri ah? What are you doing here? Niduaw sa imuha. Visiting you. Kinsay kauban nimo? Who's with you? Ako ra isa. Only me. Samukan kaayo ka. You are annoying. Ngano siya? Why her? Dili ba ko sakto? Am I not enough? Sakto ra ka. You are enough. Unsa ning klaseng lugar diri ah? What kind of place is this? Limpyo kaayo ang balay. The house is very clean. Nindot kaayo ang lugar diri ah. The place is very nice. Butan kaayo ang mga tao. The people are kind. Lami ang mga pagkaon. The food are delicious. Unsa ganahan nimo nga pagkaon? What food do you like? Chicken adobo imong ganahan? Chicken adobo is your favorite? Lutoon nako na karong panihapon. I will cook it for dinner. Giandam na nako ang lamesa. I will prepare the table. Mangaon na tang tanan. Let us eat everyone. Salamat sa pagkaon. Thank you for the food. Pagamit akong kasilyas. Can I use the bathroom? Katulgon naman ko. I'm sleepy already. Maligo sa ako bago matulog. I'll take a shower first before I will sleep. Bugnawa sa tubig, uy. The water is cold. Mag-ampo ta usa bago matulog. Let's pray before sleeping. Aha man ka moadto. Where are you going? Moadto ko sa merkado. I'm going to the market. Unsay paliton nimo? What will you buy? Ngano? Muuban ka? Why? Are you coming? Sabay ko. Tabangan te ka. I'll come. I will help you. Tara. Let's go. Pilay pasahe paadto og palengke. How much is the fare going to the market? 20 kada tao. 20 per person. Inita di ay karong adlaw uy. It's very sunny today. Asa mo ni adto? Where did you go? Kauban nako atong silingan. I'm with our neighbor. Palit og sabon ba? Buy a soap. Unsay tan-aw nimo niya? What do you think about her? Wala lang. Nothing. Kamusta man ka? How are you? Maayo raman. I'm doing good. Dugay ng panahon wala ta nagkita. Long time no see. Salamat sa pagtambong sa among kasal. Thank you for attending to our wedding. Pasaylo ako na uwahi kog abot. I'm sorry for my late arrival. Mahal man ang mga pagkaon. The food are expensive. Unsa orasa karon? What time is it? Alas 4 sa hapon. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And that's it, Teacher Divine.